Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to BioHack Thursday, where we talk simple science so you can get better results. Today's biohack is one of the most powerful, fasting. But here's the truth. Fasting only works if you're still meeting your body's needs for protein and fat. Otherwise, it turns into undereating, and that backfires. So let's break it down by phases of weight loss because what your body needs changes along the way. So phase 1 of weight loss, let's say you're getting started. If you're just starting keto or carnivore, your job isn't long fasting, it's fueling correctly. 3 solid meals a day, each with protein 30 to 50 grams per meal, and enough fat to feel satisfied. Think of it as building trust with your metabolism. I'll feed you well, you don't need to panic. Phase 2, adapted and losing. Once you're fat adapted, usually after a few weeks, you'll notice natural appetite control. Here's where intermittent fasting can slip in. Many people find 2 meals a day feels natural at this point. The trick, don't shrink your protein. You still need 100, 150 grams minimum daily. It's just a range. Or more depending on your body size and your ideal body weight. Fat is your lever. And add more if you're too hungry. Trim a little if fat loss stalls. Phase 3, nearing your goal. As body fat gets lower, your margin for error shrinks. This is when extended fasting often backfires. You risk muscle loss if protein intake is too low. So here, you want to focus on protein prioritization. Every bite counts. That's what I'm doing right now because I'm 5-6 pounds away. 2 high protein meals a day is often more effective than a 3-day fast. And then finally, phase 4, maintenance. Fasting becomes optional at this point. Real biohack here is flexibility. Some days you'll fast 16 hours, some days you don't. Protein stays steady, fat flexes with your energy needs. So if you're more active, putting in a new garden, you're going to need more energy. So here's a quick story. I had a client who jumped into OMAD, 1 meal a day, too early. She was barely hitting 60 grams of protein and felt exhausted. Once we bumped her up to 2 meals with 40 to 50 grams of protein each, the scale finally moved again because her body felt safe. So here's your takeaway. Fasting is a tool, not the goal. Protein is the anchor, fat is the lever. Carbs stay low. That's the recipe across every phase. And if you need a step-by-step to figure out your macros, my ebook, Keto Made Simple, walks you through protein, fat, and carb targets so that you can get fasting right. You'll find the link below in the description. Like this, if you've ever wondered if doing fasting is wrong, share it with a friend who's stuck and tell me in the comments, which phase are you in right now? See you tomorrow for Fact Friday.